Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I am done with my rangoli. It's 6 now. So now I am going to make tea and serve to everyone. I am going to make a very simple breakfast. I have taken a bun, I have kept it in a oven for 1 minute, and I am going to add garlic chili spread and dip here, and I am going to serve with onion and cucumber. So this is a very simple breakfast I am doing for my kids and for the entire family today. Now I've set my daughter to get some onions from upstairs, so she's getting the onions. So these are the small works I take from my daughter, and now the flower guy had come, so he had given us flowers for puja today, and you can see the condition of the room. I have to clean this room immediately now. So my husband had bought 1.5 kg of meat here. I have taken one bunch of pudina. I am cleaning the pudina now. So some eggs he had bought. So cucumber, chilies, coriander, milk. And I forgot to make curd last night. So I have to take one packet of curd because we need curd for the biryani today. I washed the mutton twice, and now I am going to add curd and some salt to marinate it. I am going to marinate this mutton at least for half an hour to 45 minutes now. You can mix it in your hand well and just keep it closed for 45 minutes, and then you can start the process of making the mutton biryani. Today I am going to make a Chennai mutton biryani now. So before it gets marinated, I've just sliced out the onions and I've kept everything ready now. So I have to just start with the cooking. So today I'm going to show you the Chennai biryani, Chennai mutton biryani. It is very simple. Usually you get this in Chennai hotels. So it's a very simple recipe and very easy to make. So let's get started with this. I have taken 250 ml of oil here. I am going to add 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 12 cloves, star anise, about 6 to 7 elaichis. I have taken Marathi mogu, that is kopak buds, maize, javatri we call it as, star anise and bay leaf. So I am mixing all this together. And I've added nutmeg also a little bit. I'm adding about 12 green chilies. Fry all this together. I've taken a big size onion, about 8 big size onion. I've sliced it out, and let us fry all this together now. I've added little bit of kalpasi, that is black stone flour. You must add kalpasi. It gives you very good taste, especially for biryani. I'm going to make raita now. I've taken cucumber, carrot and onion. So we'll make raita ready now. So the remaining green chilies, I'm going to just clean them and keep it in the fridge. I cannot keep it with the stem. We have to remove the stem and keep it in the fridge. So you can see the color is getting changed. I'm going to add 2 full spoon of ginger garlic paste here. This is the homemade ginger garlic paste. Just give a good mix. Let it become little bit brown. So I'm going to add chili powder, dhania powder, 1 spoon of dhania powder, garam masala 1 spoon. I have taken Shakti biryani masala. So I have taken about 2 spoon of Shakti biryani masala. I have added that also in it. So let it become little more brown. So we leave it for 5 to 6 minutes in higher flame, but keep stirring in between. So add 2 spoons of salt here, give a good mix, just fry it. And now I'm going to add 6 tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes I have added. Just fry this along. Add all the muttons that has marinated for 45 minutes. So just put all this inside the masala. Just give a very good mix. Add required amount of water for the mutton to get cooked well, because mutton always takes time to cook. So just add required amount of water and just mix it well. And we are going to leave this for half an hour in a medium flame closed. So I am boiling some eggs also, because biryani definitely we take with egg. So after half an hour you can see it's done, it's half cooked now, the mutton. I'm just taking the gravy little bit. This is shawarma that I'm going to take. So this particular shawarma I'm going to serve it along with biryani while eating. At this stage I am going to add a handful of coriander and half bunch of pudina. So I'm going to mix all this together well, and we are going to boil this again for 10 minutes. I've added half a liter of milk now, boiled milk. So just mix well. Make sure that you add milk, half a liter of milk, because I'm going to make this is 1.5 kg of mutton, so half liter milk is sufficient. So just mix it well. Meanwhile I've taken in a bowl, I've taken a water, I've added 1 spoon of oil, and I'm going to add orange color here. So I'm going to boil the rice separately. I've taken biryani rice, I've added some salt. So I've soaked this rice for 20 minutes, and now I've added into the water. So let all this cook well. I am going to cook it, it should be half cooked, not full cooked. So always make sure that you have a bigger size vessel when you're keeping biryani in dum. So now I've just added some gravy in this thing cooker, and I'm just adding the rice. Just filter the water out, drain out the water. The rice is only half cooked, less than half cooked. So I've just add this layer by layer. So I made 3 layers. I'm going to give them for 20 minutes now. So I'm going to add 2 big size lemon I've taken. I'm going to squeeze out the juice from that and just spread it around. And I'm going to add about 7 to 8 spoons of ghee on top. So this is the process. You do it exactly this way. Just close it and keep it for 20 minutes. I'm just keeping the heavy bowl on top. So in 20 minutes I've wiped the house, and it's 20 minutes now in dum. So just see, it's come out really good. The smell is too good. So everything is just perfect. The spice, salt, everything is come out really good. And now I'm going to serve with egg and boiled egg, raita and shawarma. So it's 1:30 already. So let's start serving for kids. So raita, I'm mixing the curd now. So let's add a little bit of salt and just mix it. So the raita is ready now. So I'm just serving everyone one by one. So along with shawarma we'll serve, this is how they serve in Chennai hotels. It will be super tasty. You must try this dish. Curd, wait, I'll take this.
Oh, very tasty. Very tasty.
After lunch I have taken 1 hour of rest in the afternoon, and it's 3:45 now. You can see kids are flying kites there, and my kids are in the balcony. I think it's going to rain now. You can see it's very cloudy. tea right now.
Hi.
So it's 4 now. I started making tea. You can see the weather. It's going to rain now. So let's finish with the tea. So today I am making a masala tea. I have just added 1 inch of ginger, 2 cloves, 4 inch of peppercorns and 2 eliches and little bit of cinnamon stick I have added, and I am boiling it all together here. So it is a very refreshing tea. You can just try it. So I'm making it a little strong, so let me serve. It's done already, so let me serve to everyone. So you can see our curd is done now. Morning 6 o'clock I made it and it's ready now. Now it's 4:30 already. So it's done. You can see it's done very well. So I am going to keep this in a fridge. So after tea, I've started cleaning the kitchen. Now I'm washing the vessel. I have to just wipe the countertop. So now it's going to rain heavily. You can see the clouds. So now I'm going to make snacks for kids. So I'm just going to make omelets, bread toast, and going to add cucumber also with this. So whenever you buy bread from bakery or from outside, you make sure that you toast them well. So now I am serving everyone with eggs and cucumber. So this is the evening snacks that I have done. So now I have washed the vessel, so let the water get dried out, then we will arrange it in the cupboard and I'll clean down the sink countertop. So you can see I've arranged everything inside the cupboard and I'm going to reheat the biryani right now, and I'm going to heat the biryani for 15 minutes in a medium flame and transfer it into a hot case. So you have seen I have cleaned the entire kitchen, but this is my routine job. I do it every day after my tea time. So usually I wash it, I arrange everything so that night for dinner there's no issue with the cleaning. So this is my routine job. So this is my morning to evening vlog.